Hi, my name is Hannah and I work for the Institute of Natural Health, and I'm going to show you how to complete your Dutch Complete Urine Kit. When you open up your envelope, you will have a pamphlet that has your test requisition form. This needs to be filled out in its entirety, front and back. It's going to ask for personal information, and it's also where you document your sample times. This pamphlet has information on how to pick your collection time, when to collect, how to collect, and it also houses your urine sample cards and your UPS return bag. You will also need to make sure you have a cup to complete your collection. On this first page, you will see information on how to pick your collection day based off your cycle, whether you have a normal cycle, short cycle, or long cycle. It's also going to tell you if you should stop or avoid any kind of hormone supplement or medication. The second page is going to give you information on when to complete your collections. Biggest things you want to remember is to limit your water intake or fluid intake to about 40 ounces on the days of collection. You also want to avoid fluids about 2 hours before your first and second samples. You will have at least 4 samples. You have the option for an extra sample if you wake overnight. You will collect your first sample around dinner time or 5 p.m., your second sample around 10 p.m. Again, the extra sample will be collected only if you wake overnight. You will collect your third sample or fourth if you have that extra sample when you wake up within about 10 minutes of waking, and then 2 hours after waking, you complete your final sample. You will see on the third page how to complete each collection. When you go to complete your collection, you will urinate into the cup, and then you will take the applicable absorbent sheet for the time that you are collecting. You want to fill out the information, and then you will dip the absorbent side of the paper into the urine cup. Once that is fully saturated, you will want to make sure to lay it out to dry. Once it is dry, you will fold it back up and place it back into the Ziploc bag provided. Once all of your samples have been collected, you can return your sample cards to the pamphlet along with your filled out requisition form. Close up your pamphlet, place it into the envelope, and place the envelope into the UPS return bag. You can take this to any UPS store or drop-off box, whichever you have closest to you. And that's how you complete your kit.